Hi there, Lisa here, and I'm so happy to have you join me for another quick video. Today's card is all about plaid and beer. So we're going to be doing some Copic coloring and create our own fun plaid background. This birthday card is so much fun, so I hope you'll stick around to see it all come together. Starting out with my images pre-stamped on some Nina Solar White cardstock. I have the beer from a cold one and the candle stamped from the Layered Cake Builder stamp set. I just thought this was a fun way to create a birthday card using the beer. I'm just going to quickly die cut this down using a rectangle die. I wanted a panel to kind of go across the center of my card, so I'm going to die cut it once, change that direction of the die, and then die cut it again so I have a nice panel. I also stamped a second beer on the same cardstock, and I'm just going to quickly color that with some Copic markers. Super easy coloring, just with 3 colors of yellow. I did search the internet for a picture of some beers just so I can get some color inspiration. So I started with that and then just picked 3 colors of Copic markers that I thought would look similar to like a pale ale or like a weedy beer for my ale loving friends, I guess. And then I just went to work coloring, just layering up and then adding in a bit of shadow with a darker brownish color. This is, again, just some really quick Copic coloring, nothing really too involved. And then I'm just going to come in and add some color and highlights to the glass using some B colors. And then last, I'll do a little bit of shading and coloring on my panel. I'm going to pop up that beer in the front, so I want to make sure that I have a little bit of shadow on my panel and then color in that candle as well. Just using all the same colors. And then to add a bit of highlight to the image, I grabbed a white gel pen, added in the highlights to the glass, and then some bubbles in the beer as well. Next, I'm just going to use my scissors to fussy cut that out. Unfortunately, my die didn't arrive in time, but there is a matching die to make the cutting of this image super easy, and I highly recommend that. But I am using an X-Acto knife and my scissors to trim this out. The X-Acto knife really makes cutting out the center of that handle super easy. Next, we're going to build our plaid background. I have some craft cardstock and a sticky mat. I'm really loving the Plaid Builder stencils from Unity. They just make creating my own plaid backgrounds just super easy. I'm going to start out with the large stripes, and I'm going to ink blend on with some distress ink. This is frayed burlap, and I'm just going to do a nice layer of blending so each of those stripes is nicely filled in. I'm going to pick that up and just rotate it and then stick it back down, and then do my stripes in the other direction. Once those are done, I'm going to come in with my smaller stripes, line up the center of those big stripes with my stencil, and then come in with some tumbled glass to create a really pretty blue. I like the combination of the blue and the brown on this craft cardstock. It just turned out really fantastic, almost like a flannel shirt. And there we are. Here's our finished plaid. I die cut that down just a little bit and matted that onto a white card front. I'm going to pop up my little panel with the beer and the sentiment, and then pop up my Copic colored beer on top of that. And here is the finished card. I just really like the dimension of that beer popped up over the one stamped on the card panel with the candle. And the funny little sentiment, another beer older, is just perfect for a guide card with that plaid background. As always, I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video on my Dollhouse Designs YouTube channel and blog. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed. Plus, if you have any questions or sweet comment, post below. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.